Well, welcome back everyone. Thanks for taking the time to watch those videos. Today we're going to look at root and root against change. And in this case, we don't need our change to play. And this is very similar to the first two videos, twin and twin against change and twin and roots against change. It's the same methodology. Except because these two roots cannot protect each other the same way as two twins would, you have to be a little bit more careful. So let's have a look. So let's say we play, let's say we bring this root in this case here. And we're trying to do a checkmate like this. So here, so this root is not doing the barrier, and this root has to come and do the check. With this root doing the barrier, so it cannot go left. So it has to go right. Oops. So it can come one of those three squares. So if it comes here, let's say, sorry, not here, but here, check, check, checkmate. But be careful, because if it comes here, that's where it gets tricky. It's attacking here, so you cannot come and check. You have to get first this one out of the way, like here, as far away as possible from the change. But not here, because you still need these two to work together. And now you have time to do what you want to do. Check, change, here, and checkmate. So now imagine, so that's really the only trick is when the change attacks your root, you have to bring it far away. Now imagine we did something else. Imagine we did let's say we blacking came here, and let's say we wanted to have the two roots connected just to simplify a bit. And let's say the change tries to come here, and you want to do the classic stair change, controlling the column. You cannot come and check here. So same story, you need to start bringing the roots far away so that they're not being able to be attacked by the change. So now you have to bring it here, let's say, and when the change comes here, you bring, let's say, the other one, although you don't, let's say the change comes here more. Now you bring the other one here, and now this is easy. You have time to check, and checkmate. Now, if the change came here, wait, what happened here? Sorry, 1 second. So change F6, and then let's say let's say the change comes to F5 here. And let's say you want to have the two roots next to each other. You have to be careful too. Why? Because after check, and it comes here, same, you cannot check here. So you have to bring it far away, and now it's attacking you. Now you bring it here, far away, and now it doesn't have time. You have time to check and checkmate. So check, checkmate. All right, well, by now I'm sure you know what I'm going to tell you, which is practice it. And you don't have to do the columns the way we did it. You can also check, do the same story on the ranks. They both work. Notice that I put the change out of the way to simplify. If the change is like in the way, just move it out of the way, and you'll see it works. Thank you for watching. Those were the pretty easy ones. The last one in the series, very little bit tricky. There is just one trick to know, and after that you're good to go for basic endgames.